Hi everyone, it's Ali and welcome back to the Heffy Doodle YouTube channel. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I've got this really cute little busy scene, a Santa's Village scene, and I've used the Santa's Village stamp set from Heffydoodle, of course, and it's got some absolutely gorgeous images in it, and I just stamped out a whole heap of the images because I really wanted to make a really full little scene. I've been quite inspired by a couple of card makers recently with these really full scenes, and I'll pop their names in the description box below. But I just thought this little village set was perfect for this, and so I've just stamped lots and lots of the images out using my Memento Tuxedo Black ink and my Misty, and then I'm just going to sort of roughly trim them and put them into, I guess, categories. So I just put all the houses in one and the people in the other and the presents and the trees in another pile, and just to sort them all for colouring. So I thought I'd like to colour them in groups. Now, of course, I haven't got time commitments on the video to show you all of my colouring, but I will jot down the main colours of Copics that I've used to colour in all of my images. And I think the key with these busy scenes is to not make the colour scheme too complex. So just pick sort of 2 or 3 main colours and use those for most of your colouring. So in this one I picked an aqua colour, sort of a coral, a pinky orange, and the brown as well. And of course the windows and things in yellow, but just keeping the colour scheme fairly minimal means that it all looks quite coordinated and all sort of fits together. So once I coloured in my images, I then went ahead and die cut them all with the corresponding dies. And then I'm just going to rearrange or arrange my pieces onto the front of my card. I wanted a background, so I used a bit of worn lipstick and carved pumpkin over the top to get a nice pinky corally background colour. And then I've also used the Starfall backdrop die to cut out some stars, and then I've backed this piece with some silver glitter as well, silver glitter paper, so that shows through, and then just a strip of silver glitter paper along the bottom as well for the ground. Then I was just layering all my pieces on, and I've used a piece of press and seal, Glad press and seal, and this is really handy for these scenes where you want to keep all of your pieces together. And then I'm just going to pop glue all over the back of that and then flip it over back onto the scene, and they're all in the right position. And then just carefully peel off the Glad press and seal, and then stick down any pieces that haven't been properly glued. Easy peasy. You don't have to remember where everything goes. So I'm just using my Lawn Fawn glue just to re-stick anything down that hasn't got enough glue on it. And then I've just stamped out a little Happy Christmas in VersaFine ink and white embossed it on black card as a sentiment on the front of the card. So that's it, just a lot of colouring, I guess, and just a few hints there on keeping your colour scheme simple. And this close-up just shows you a bit more detail of my colouring. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for joining me, and please give one of these little scenes a try, and here's some other videos from Heffydoodle that you might enjoy, and I'll see you again next time.